Your computer is so slow and maybe your programs are not working properly. You say, now is the time to change Windows, but please stop. With the methods that I tell you today, you can easily solve your Windows problem and not wasting time to change your Windows. I personally change Windows every 2 years. As a professional, you remember, as a professional, the last option should be change new Windows, should be changing Windows. And you need to know how to repair your Windows. Today I'm going to tell you that you can repair your Windows easily with the 3 methods. Enter to the troubleshooting. First, you should click on Setting, then write TR, and then select the troubleshooting. After entering troubleshooting, you can choose one of these options. For example, you may have problem with your Bluetooth, or you may have a problem with video player, or other problems. You can choose one of them and run the troubleshooting. Maybe sometimes Windows give you unspecified error and you don't know why this error happened. Run a CMD as administrator and write and type sfc/scan now and waiting for this part to end. It takes about 4 minutes. And third method is one of the best ways to repair Windows, which works online. Run CMD as an administrator and type this text. Wait for the process to finish, which takes about 5 to 6 minutes. After trying and run these 3 methods and your Windows problem is still not solved, now you can change your Windows. But before changing Windows, be sure to do these 3 methods, which are very effective. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you later. Thank you.